Hello again everyone, I bring a new video about the simple strat without indicators. Let's quickly start with the settings. Okay, first of all, the time frame and candles. As you do, classic candles in 15 seconds. Alright, you're going to start with an amount of $34 with 1 minute on expiration time. This strat is called 7 in favor. What is it about? It's very simple. I have to identify a zone. Yes, a zone where the price is low down, whether it's going up or down. When the price is low down, when I start to count roughly 7 candles. And when the 7 candles have passed, I'm going to the direction. That is when I see the strength in the direction, whether bullish or bearish, I enter. Continuation of the movement. Which is why it's called 7 in favor. Okay? So they usually work in that this box you see here, like the ranges, a wait, and a wait. See that? Okay. In favor of the trend, I made a trade in favor, but I just don't usually do that. I wait for strength of movement confirming, and then I enter in direction. So I need to wait for that. So I'm going to look for the first entry of the session. When I have it, I'll take and explain it for you. Here, it's look like in having an entry, how the price coming and slow down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. What is this? Oh wait, but the price rejects me again. It's possible that I enter on the downside because the price is low down, guys. The entry beat 1 minute with candles break strongly. I would enter the upside. I would beat with the trend. Okay, as I said for you in live, guys, when having 7 candles in a row, almost we get a revert, but sometimes you can just follow this one, right? That could be the fake exception, yes, but it could. But I tried to do it in favor of the trend. If the price had a reject in the previous case, I might have entered the downside. But of course, they would be against the trend. The strategy is called 7 in favor. I wait for a counter consolidation and enter in the favor of the trend. Okay. So I wait, test in the markets. That's the perfect one. I don't know. Let's wait for this. Almost 20 seconds remaining. All right. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Let's see this one. That's good. For now, that's respecting so good, guys. Look at that, man. That's right, the reason 7 in favor. Come on, baby, just respect this one. We have our first sixes win, guys. Look at that, $5 in a row on this one. We got some good profits in the first one. Okay, sorry guys, it's like a party, but I'm not going to win the now. Out of 10 positions, I might 8 or lose it 2 or 7 and 3. But it's normal that I'm going to keep entry on this. Right? In an upside, let's follow this one until they get a loss. The part is working, they have it already moving away. It's keep going up. Then it's another store. But look, you are following the trend. Well, I have one the first entry. I'm going to look for the second one. And Mountain 75. When I get it, I will take and explain it for you. It's look like having another entry here. The trend is an upward, but yeah, but it's look at the break, guys. That's just the highest point and try to go down to the positive way. Okay. Let's see that. Trying to go to short. Let's look like it's missing the entry with the rejection. It's look like this. I can get it, and we just try to get a correction right now because it's the best situation for us in this moment. Well, I miss it. I control myself a little. It's okay. What is the maximum? The maximum is this. There's can be candle close above the zone. When the candle just hit the highest point, maybe it will start to get a reverse. The candle isn't that bullish either. This close is very tight. That's why I entered where I entered, and then we'll wait. The next candle make it down, and the price will continue to rise. But that's just following the trend, following the revert. Maybe with the rejection, guys, I would have entry. Okay, maybe it would have been profitable, but I wait. Let's go back up. Rejection, it goes back up again. That's results, man. We just got this. I got another one, baby. $124. That's just so good, man. Let's look at the positions. Give me that, but no. But it's the case. The price is gone against the trend. Oh my God, that's so good, guys. So look again. 1, 2, 3 candles on this one. All right. It could have 6 handle rejects and enter the downside. That's more or less considers with Criterion. In 1 minute, the price consolidated have more strength. Let's increase that 125. I'll look for the last entry, guys.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
I have to kick entries. I'm going to look for another one. And look at this. We got this. It's a perfect one. Bitcoin ETF, OTC, the price is 10 down. But look, we have a break. As I said, touch the lowest point and start to go the positive way as a rejection. I have to see whether because I made this too high. The deadline is coming. Here it's head low. 70 candle pass. Perfect. The low is important. The price rise again. Forward again. Fall again. It doesn't happen. And that is giving me the bullish reaction. But it's in a minute. It doesn't look good. Can you see that? Let's take a look. Look at this. All right. That's a count trend. It's possible, but in 15 seconds, you can see that it's already given the minimum. All right, because there's a very bullish reaction. And does this candle confirm for me? It could be that the candle when you choose very high, you haven't understand that. You know the price is very high. It's possible that it will lose. Well, look at this, guys. Perfect. Candle one strong. That's $240. Well, I have my account, increase my account 34 to 240. That's a simple strategy. More of a partner. I hope it has helped you. Leave your opinion in the comments. Searching for partners in binary option market importance. And it's good to learn a few partners because you see then there's higher probability and that'll happen. It's not that can fail. But then happen with a high probability. I invite you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave your opinion in the comments, and I said to find who that's work for you. A partner one. See you soon. Upcoming the video. Have a great day, guys, and see you later. Wish you good profit, good operations, guys. Bye bye.